Hey, what's up guys? We got something special going on. So you see the charger badge right here? Every single charger that's not the SRT 392 or the SRT Hellcat has a badge that just says charger, plain and simple. V6s, RT, Scatpacks, they all say charger. I don't know about the Daytona, but I never liked this badge, so we're gonna do something different. We're gonna be adding this. Oh, here, let me open it. Forgot to open it. All right, here it is. 392 with the Scatpack B on there. So for this, you basically, from what I've seen, you just pop the charger badge out. I'm gonna try it with this screwdriver, and you just basically clip this one in, as you can see right there. So let's see if I don't fuck this shit up and just pop it out. Ooh. Okay. Come on. The good thing is the dash is rubber, so I think it makes it easier. Dang. Okay, that's not as easy as I thought. Oh, there you go. Okay, just pop this out too. Oh, okay, there you go. Just wiggle it out. Ah, awesome. There goes the ugly, boring, basic charger badge. And we're gonna replace it with this 392 Scatpack badge. All right, let's see. And push it back in. Boom! Voila! Look at that. 392. Oh. So new. Oh man, that shit looks nice. Look at that. Bam. Whoa. So basically all the 2020 Charger Scatpacks come with this badge instead of just the plain old Charger logo. See, I feel like they should have done this from the beginning instead of, you know, the boring old Charger. Yeah, that makes a difference. I like it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick DIY video. I got the badge from Steve White Motors. I'll put the link in the description. I've also seen that they have the SRT badges and the SRT Hellcat badges for anyone that has Hellcats or the SRT 392 chargers. I don't know if they'll fit Challengers. I think they should. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and that's pretty much it. Just a quick little video. Thanks, guys.